Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. It's your one and only Lady Jill. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you, people, for me. God bless you, my people. This story when I want to talk about today, when I just see it today, the thing just really like, that is why this life is good for us to control our temper. Always control your temper. You understand? Not be the way body takes crash, person they scratch and back. Because if not, our body go dey peel. Our body go dey peel. Eh? Okay, see one because I see the video today for YouTube and the thing just tire me. You understand? Okay, one girl, this man bring the matter out, where this they come this social media everywhere. So now he born this girl. So this girl, when him mama leave a papa, now this man take care of this the man come marry another woman. Okay, the woman now can't take care of that girl. But the man is not be picking, but they take care of her like him own. Before this girl can't grow, can't marry. Okay, your step mother daughter now, he can't go stay with you for house. Okay, he go stay with you for house. Everything dey okay, fine. Okay, you can't beat the girl. After I don't beat her, you with your mama. Say, because they get peace for body. 11 years, peace for body. Because of that one, you carry the girl. You go carry and go give your papa back. Say you don't feel take care of him again. Say the year word. If papa say na normal beat, now na beat the pikin. You can say okay, you can't bring her come back, or because it peace for body, you don't feel tolerate her, all those things. Okay, the papa goes okay, no problem. Can't carry a pikin enter house. No, he say una really beat her, not be small. So tell this one pikin come dey sick, they come dey press the body, because they beating you and the mama na beat am. What you do it if? What you do when I beat am like that? Or because he peace for body? Now today the time so they see who the peace for body. Now today start to they see some children they don't know quick cut peace. But that will not reach for you to just beat and so you can't beat away BC, you can't get Italian what they call a man who cut my tongue, Italian bleeding. They have to come rush this one pikin go hospital. Hospital then this one pikin can't die. All because of say you say a peaceful body now you beat him. Are you people kidding me right now? Doesn't be say we don't feel discipline pikin, you just even though say you not beat him, you not feel just like punish hands. Okay, next time make you not do am again. For you to just beat him. You with your mama, una beat him. They even jump for this one pikin body until this one pikin can't die. When I just see him, the thing like I don't understand what the happen for this world now. It's something you just beat and pikin could just die. Okay, as you hear that say that now you can't feel now. Are you happy now? You don't they happy now because it peace for body. If they tell you the one what you do when you dey smoke, you can't dey happy now, they dance now. I say it don't die now. You with your mama now, what one I can't gain now? And this girl, mama, I take care of you. You know, if you treat you bad one day, your papa say, supposing I saw this woman do you for their life now. He take care of you. He take you as your own daughter. What you can make you? What you go make you? Just beat that small pikin rich like that. So that this small pikin not fit again. You know, fit. That is, you not fit again. This small pikin can't die. Are you happy now? Sometimes it good maybe they control our temper. Maybe they control if we do some kind of things More would they control our temper? Because if you not control your temper, you feel do this kind of thing where this girl do so. Eh? You see, get one that time too when that one I ask girl when they say take care of pikin. The next thing when they do now to beat that small pikin. Small pikin will be saying now that kind 3 years. He beat her. The small pikin they even they vomit. You know say camera did the house. He beat her. He want to talk saying it is saying the discipline the pikin. How? I don't understand what una mean by discipline. Now beat the discipline pikin. Now beat. Must you beat pikin before you know say the discipline? Now beat the discipline pikin. When you go just beat pikin, beat and so the pikin just God forbid bad thing. When I see him, may go enter me. Say God, what did this world they turn it to now? What did they turn it to? Eh? What did this world they turn into? I don't just understand. I beg, my people. If they give you pikin, may you take care of. You see, you know fit tolerate am. Carry am. I know some children they stubborn, but this one now must be stubbornness. So this one are just peace. Because of peace, now you're beat. So that's what pikin can't die. All because of beating, all because of peace. Yeah, my people. Made this that girl and the mama made they fear God. I like what say Papa talk. He say no care, say you be pikin, eh? Say you go face the law. You must face the law. The law. You must face them. Even though not life imprisonment they give you, your papa say no care. And the truth, you must face them, my dear. You with your mama, what you again now? Now they ask, what you again now? Eh? If they give you pikin, another person pikin take care of. If you not fit, carry and go give your mama. Yes, carry and go give your mama. So if you carry am, go give it. Instead of when you go take beat am, carry and go give your mama. Is it get one when I see that time for human rights? When you just carry big padded yam, I don't know what they call am. He can't tie am heavy. Can I give this one we can make the carry they go? Now people can't see and go give it a human right. They invite the woman, they can't tell her, say, maybe you carry this padded yam, whether you go fit carry am. The woman not fit carry am for ground. When the people small pikin of 12 years old, she not fit even carry himself. She not fit. When the husband still come, they say make your husband carry. Your husband not fit. He not fit because the thing heavy. Eh? I don't know what is this word, whether what they turn it to a gay. I don't really know. Maybe they behave well now. You get pikin too. If somebody do to your pikin, you go like him. If somebody do to you, you go like him. You go like him. For you to just they beat on that person pikin anyhow. I beg my people. Eh? See this one and his sister, his step sister. He don't die now. I don't know it's too late. I don't know it's too late. It's too late. How you go to do this one now? This one where you kill now. How would I want to bring her come back to life? How the mother now go they feel now? Eh? How the mother go they feel? Person will use good hands to carry you. Your mama abandon you. When you don't marry, you can't carry your mama carry come house. Fine. Don't not be bad thing before. But as they carry this girl, can't give you, you not fit again. Why you not carry him? Go give your mama back. Your mama there alive. Your mama never die. Why you not carry and go give your mama back? Instead of you to just beat pikin, beat am. So the pikin can't get Italian bleeding. And we say the beat one and beat and not be small one. Because he said una 12 una beat and they even they mash am. May God have mercy on you and your mother. May God have mercy on una for what una do. May God have mercy on una. Because una too do. Una too do. Only God. Then go just save Now only God now go save us. Only God. Eh? I just pray, may that pikin, may our soul rest in perfect peace. For what you do that so pikin, God don't go forgive you now. My people, I just say make I just talk for this video, you know, who get sense make a year. You understand? Who get sense make a year. Because some people, what that they do, they make person they tire sometimes, you know. So thank you everybody, and take care until I come your way next time. And remember your one and only Lady Jill. And if you see this video, share it for me and put us up for me and comment and like my video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And subscribe. Share this video for me and subscribe. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.